Same age, same salary, same city. 5 years later, one has $47,000 saved. The other has nothing. The difference? One simple rule that nobody ever taught you. It's called the $1,000 rule, and almost nobody talks about it. Meet Jake, 28 years old, makes $65,000 a year. By all accounts, he should be doing fine. He's not. Every month, Jake's paycheck hits his account, and within 2 weeks, it's almost completely gone. Dining out 4 times a week, subscriptions he forgot he even had. Impulse buys that felt small in the moment, but added up to everything he had. Jake tells himself the same thing every month. I'll start saving next month. But next month never comes. Then one day, his car breaks down. $800 repair bill. No emergency fund, no savings, nothing. Jake has no choice but to put it on credit at 24% interest. Now meet Sarah. Same age as Jake, same job, same salary, same starting point. But the moment Sarah's paycheck arrives, she does one thing differently. Before she pays a single bill, before she buys a single thing, she automatically moves $1,000 to a completely separate savings account every single month. Without exception. Before she can even think about spending it, Sarah still enjoys her life. She goes out, she travels occasionally, she just doesn't let her lifestyle consume every dollar she earns. That $1,000 every month goes into a high-yield savings account and low-cost index funds that quietly grow in the background, month after month, year after year, without fail. After just 12 months, Sarah has $12,000 saved. Jake has zero. So what exactly is the $1,000 rule? It sounds simple, but most people get it completely backwards. The rule is this: before you pay any bill, before any expense, before any want or desire, you pay yourself $1,000 first. Non-negotiable, every single month. No exceptions. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Most people save whatever is left after spending. Wealthy people spend whatever is left after saving. That one shift, that single change in the order of operations, is what separates the two groups. And the math is undeniable. $1,000 a month for 10 years, invested at an average 8% return, becomes $184,000. Not from a race, not from winning the lottery, not from luck, just from the rule applied consistently every single month. 5 years later, Sarah has $73,000 in savings and investments. Her emergency fund is fully loaded. She's already planning her first property purchase. 5 years later, Jake is earning more money than ever before. But he's also carrying $14,000 in credit card debt. And he still has absolutely nothing saved. Same starting point, same salary, same city, completely different financial realities. All because of one rule. The wealth gap in America isn't just about the rich versus the poor. It's about who knows this rule and who doesn't. It's about who acts on it and who keeps waiting for next month. The $1,000 rule is just the beginning. Every week on this channel, we open the files nobody wants you to see. The real stories, the real numbers, the real consequences of the money decisions most people make without even thinking. The money file. Subscribe now, because next week we're opening a file that will change how you think about money forever.